In this video, I'm going to show you how to pause YouTube watch history. Go ahead and open YouTube, and once YouTube is properly loaded, you want to come to the use section of your page, and under this you're going to see history. Click on history, and to the right you'll be able to manage your watch history. Click on pause watch history, and this is what happens when you pause watch history. So you may see fewer recommendations for new videos in YouTube and other Google products. When you pause and clear your watch history, YouTube features that rely on histories to personalize your experience are disabled. Tap on pause and your watch history will be paused on YouTube. Now when you watch any new video, it's no longer going to be added to your YouTube watch history until you come back to turn back on watch history. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to pause YouTube watch history, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, support this channel by liking, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and having its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.